Welcome to Absolut Drinks. I'm Rico. Today we're gonna make the Espresso Martini. Actually, it was created by R.I.P. Mr. Dick Bratzel. He's one of the greatest bartenders, one of the greatest drinks makers of our generation. Let's get into it. 25 ml of Kahlua. We're gonna go 45 ml of the bad boy, the main star, Mr. Absolut Vodka. Last, we're just gonna stick a whole shot. Fresh espresso. Get your espresso in there hot. The hotter it is, the better head you get. Let's give it a shake. Ooh. That is some good head. Looks like the crema of an espresso already. Let's take a beautiful glass. Take a Hawthorne strainer. We're gonna fine strain just in case there's any ice in there. If you make it correct, you want to see this settle like a good glass of stout, and you should see the drink rise, you get a nice little head on the go. Usually, you would throw 3 little coffee beans in there as a garnish, but coffee beans get stuck in the gap of my teeth, so I don't throw coffee beans in there. Keep it clean, keep it fresh, and you got a good drink. Perfection. The preferred drink of London supermodels, and my preferred drink of brunch, the Espresso Martini.